Hey guys, Martin here, welcome back to the channel. This is another tech review for a VR product. This time is the link cable from ZYBER VR. A super fast data cable from the guys at ZYBER. They are stretching out and doing all different new products. They do lenses, they do cases, they do cables, they have controller extensions, charging docks. Great guys. I'll leave a link to the website in the description of this video for you to go and have a look. And if you happen to buy anything, use the link I'll provide and you'll get a wee bit of a discount. So anyway, onto the cable. It is what should we see there? You have a 90-degree angle slot for pumping it in. My hand's in the way. There we go. I'm trying to look in the camera and insert it, but we just get there. It just pops in there like that, like so, and then it fits along there. But the beauty of it is the fact that it comes with a wee Velcro strap here that used to tie up a cable. It's just a little tire that will slip around the headset like so, and then you can slide the cable through and then attach said cable to the headset so it doesn't wander about. And then you see, you got the wee Velcro strap here. And that's it, see, just unties like that, and then you can just dismantle it and pop it and you're done. So, but yeah, it's a super fast cable, it's very reliable, it's very light. You actually, you really don't feel it in your hand at all. It is, I believe, 15 foot long. It can carry up to, I believe it's 20 megabits. You know, the speed of the cable is about 20 megabits. So it can transfer data pretty fast and seamlessly. I absolutely love it. As you can see, it's pretty long. It comes with the little installation magazine. There we go, see. ZYBER user manual of link cable. They do have other cables on their site as well. But this is the one I got because I need a new one. And for this price is it 15? I'm not sure. Like I say, the link will be in the description of prices and stuff like that. But for the price of this cable, you could buy about 3, maybe 4 of them for the price of the official link cable. So I will go and set it up again and play some Veil, as that's what I was playing out with earlier, and absolutely love that game. And now the fact that I can play it on my Quest because of this cable, it's sturdy too, you know, it's good plastic, and they both come with covers. So it's USB-A to the USB-C adapter. and really nice. Really nicely made. Great quality, as everything is from ZYBER. The cardi case they sent me, that's lovely. I still use that actually. Taking the headset back and forth places, letting people try it out. So thank you very much for watching. Bye ZYBER, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.